Hi, Mike B from Mike's Wild World. In my last video that I posted, and it's been a little while, I showed a part where my reel was broke, the bail on my spin cast and the one that I take camping. And so I tried to replace the reel. Ordered this a couple of months ago. Yes, it came all the way from China. Really inexpensive, but it's supposed to be really tiny. And I thought maybe I'd just open it here and we'll see what's going on. Let's get started. I'm just kind of out here on the deck today. It's obviously winter time, but not so much here, not today. Let's see what we got. Here's a little box. It's MN100 a Fuyang. Well, let's see. I'm gonna tip this down just a touch, okay, so I can hold it down here. Yeah, I don't need to be in it. There you go. All right, so here's my hand. Here's my reel. All right, back up here, get some light. Well, so far I'm impressed. All right, here we go. Dee dee dee. Oh my God, it's tiny. Look at that. Well, so far I'm impressed. You know, this is like really cheap, less than $10. You know, and then you got to wait 2 months for it. Let's see what happens. It feels pretty good. It looks good. Looks like it's all metal. Let's pull that over. Yep. Little clicker. Flipper. Brakes. And even the handle's already on the right side for me, because I don't like it over here. I like it over here. Look at that. I am just tickled. Haha. Well, there you go. That's an MN100. Doesn't mean anything. A Fuyang. It's an Amazon order, you know. I'll put a link to it down below in the description. Next time I go out, I'll be casting that and see how well it does. I know it's not going to hold much line, but you know, I just do subsistence fishing. I just want something to eat, basically. And that's, you know, I'm not out there for sport fishing per se. For the most of the time, I'm just trying to get something. Oh, listen to that. Oh, it's because it's loose. All right, tighten it back up, crank it up. Oh man, that is like spot on right there. Yeah. Alrighty, well there you go. I'll leave some information in there. You can go take a look at it. Just a little bit more. Shangbo XYHY Kyrie Post Express something other. What the heck that is. But anyway, yeah, they've been talking about it being shipped now for a couple of weeks, and you know, the day it was suggested it might be here. There's a rod that comes with this in another shipment, and it's supposed to be also very tiny and collapsible, but it's, you know, full size. So we'll say 6 feet, not full size. But anyway, I couldn't be happier with that. That feels great. Let's see if it'll hold a minnow. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for checking out Mike at Mike's Wild World. And check out the link below. Let me know what you think. Comment on that. We'll get back to you. Thanks.